Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Lambert. I'm 26 and I live in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. So I don't have much experience with learning research. However, I did have to do a very small amount of data analytics in my undergraduate program. For me, I think if learning research were to be fun, it would be due to the topics and data that we are studying. I have a background in accounting, so I have taken statistical courses and I'm pretty fluent in Excel. So I'm excited to bring that part of my life to use again. And social work is an area that I'm interested in, so I think that I will have fun with learning research. I'm excited to figure out what exactly learning research means. And throughout the course, I'm definitely excited for the Excel portions and manipulating data. Also excited to learn about the program evaluation topic in week 6. I recently started a new position as the special programs manager at Big Brothers Big Sisters here in Harrisburg, and I'm curious to find out different ways to analyze and present our outcomes to either donors, parents, or our team. So anyway, thanks for listening, and I can't wait to get started and meet all of you. Thanks. Bye.